A single bolt of lightning can toast 20,000 slices of bread at once. Yes, you heard that right. One lightning strike carries enough energy to perfectly toast 20,000 slices. Because a bolt has around 1 billion joules of energy and one slice only needs about 1000 joules to toast. So basically, lightning is nature's own microwave, just a little dangerous. Next time your toaster feels slow, just ask the clouds, "Hey bro, send a lightning bolt down here."